Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle. This one will be number 8873. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 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 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's. Here one, there one. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Okay. Then, let me see. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, so that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between the O's comes in 1. Come on. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Double 1. Overlooked. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. And here we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.